So, this morning, my sister's been wanting me to do these Pampered Chef videos on her Pampered Chef products. So, it's time to make breakfast this morning. So, I figured I'd do an unboxing video and a video on using the Pampered Chef nonstick grill pan, which is item 2738. I wanted one of these because my mom's got one, my grandma's got one, and Jessica said if I wanted one, she'd buy me one. So, I got one. So, anyways, we'll do a unboxing video here. Here's your handle. Here's the pan itself. Actually, very, very well constructed. I do like these. If Jessica ever decides to hit me in the head with it, it's going to hurt like hell. Oh, shit. But anyways, your handle simply, somehow, snaps right on, so it's easy removal for if you want to put it down in the sink or something and wash it. So now, I'm going to go do some cooking with this. I probably should wash it first because you never know who in Indonesia touched it last. So, I don't even know where it's, made in Germany, I'm sorry. Who in Germany touched it last. So, sorry if you hear the wiener dog in the background eating his dog food. That's the crunch you hear. And I tried to tell him to be quiet for the video and he won't do it. So, anyways, let's go cook. And with this pan, I've noticed it cooks very uniformly, even out on the outside. It's actually a very, very nice transfer of heat through the pan, which that is wonderful. So now that this bacon is done, we will remove it from the pan. And I know I mentioned the handle comes on and off. Well, the handle is actually made in Turkey and the pan is made in Germany. So it's one thing they don't make this pan in the same factory as they do the handle. I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing. But there you have bacon made with a Pampered Chef grill pan. Now we're going to make some eggs in it.